With SuperNova's Connect and View, you can scan printed text with a camera and adjust and read the text with a DocReader. This allows you to listen to the text without straining your eyes, and saves you time when reading books and leaflets. To read your text with Connect and View, first plug in a USB camera to your computer, and connect to SuperNova with the Connect and View settings. Switch on Connect and View and select the scan icon at the top right of the button bar. Connect and View will open a new screen with your printed text at the top half of the screen and the high contrast DocReader at the bottom half. Here, you can read your printed text as a still image and adjust the screen to fit your eyesight with the 8 buttons at the top of the screen. To increase the magnification of the viewer, select the plus magnifier button at the far left of the screen. To decrease the magnification, select the minus button, which is right of the plus button. You can adjust the magnification for the image view and text view separately by clicking on either the top or bottom half of the screen and clicking the magnification buttons. To play both the printed text and the DocReader, select the play button in the middle of the button bar. Click once to start playing.
Dear David, thank you very much for your help moving the couch into the flat.
And click again to stop playing. Alternatively, you can start or stop playing at any time by pressing spacebar on your keyboard. You can alter the position of the DocReader at any time to best suit your reading preferences. Select the viewer button, which is right of the play button, to cycle through the different positions, which include full screen, image view, or split screen. Select the colour wheel next to the viewer button to cycle through the different colour schemes. Select the Pages button at the right of the button bar to choose between adding a new scan image of text or exporting the printed text to Microsoft Word. To minimise the button bar for a clearer view of the document, select the arrow button at the far right of the button bar. You can return the button bar at any time by clicking the arrow button again, which is now at the far left corner of the screen. And finally, to quit the DocReader, select the red cross button at the far left of the screen. We hope you enjoy using SuperNova, and remember, if you need help at any time, please visit our website at yourdolphin.com/support.